one is robotics. We've started little robotics pilots across the organization, watching them through the organization, developing prototypes and working through that across the organization. Working very closely with the Burnie group, we developed a performance excellence program, which allowed us to digitize our whole organization across the operations team. And now out of that, we have a lot of the data that's allowing us to make some of these differences and make some of the impact across the businesses. And so when I look at innovation, I look at those little pockets that organizations are doing in financial services. And what you're starting to see as well is partnering happening. You're starting to see organizations come together and say, I'm doing this, you're doing this, why don't we come together and pool our resources? I talked about, and when a lot of times people think about innovation, they think first and foremost technology. And they think, okay, innovation is equal to technology. Technology disrupted the entire marketplace. But it's so much more than there. I think one of the challenges that we have found historically with innovation is it really sustainable? And how do you create a sustainable environment with innovation? And I think that's one of the challenges that we had when we started our journey, was how do you create an environment that allowed us to maintain that momentum? When you think about innovation, really what it came down to was, it comes down to the ideas that are generated across an organization and being able to act and follow through on some of those ideas. And those ideas are really helping change the landscape of how we do business across the organizations. Where do those ideas come from? Well, they come from our biggest resource that we have in every organization, which is our people. And the ability to engage our people is part of the innovation journey, the ability to get and pull those ideas and create the environment of safety that allows people to say, why am I doing this? I have an idea. How about I try something different? Or explore something out there in the industry and bring it into the organization. Those are where, that's how you start creating that real innovation. That's how you start making that change. That's how you start creating that excitement in organizations. And once you create an environment that supports that and embraces that, that's when that sustainable innovation really starts to happen. Our performance excellence program that we have developed, every day you have individuals out there talking about what's going on in their day during our daily huddles, looking over the information that has come through a lot of the statistics and the data that we've been able to accumulate, talking about how we can change it, how we can make ourselves better. And those are the real powerful opportunities that allow us to look at the business and say, how do we change this? And the other element about the innovation program and making sure it's sustainable is challenging people to get out of their roles. Everyone has your day-to-day job. And people like to do stuff on the side and try different things and get out of their daily requirements. Having people part of these things and helping on the execution is where it really starts to